Flight news is coming in. Senior BJP leader Arun Jaitley has now landed at party patriarch LK Advani's residence, trying to convince him to contest from the Gandhinagar seat. We've been seeing a slew of leaders meeting a sulking Advani who wanted to contest from Bhopal but was denied a ticket from there. The party wants him to contest from Gandhinagar. That has been his seat for the last 16 years. Aditi Anantanayan, our correspondent, is joining us on the phone line for the national capital. She's been tracking this story for us. Aditi, we've been seeing a slew of major leaders visiting LK Advani's residence since morning. First it was Modi, then Sushma Swaraj, now Arun Jaitley.
Absolutely. Since morning, Simi, we've been seeing a series of meetings taking place inside LK Advani's Prithviraj residence in the national capital. Firstly, early in the morning, we saw an hours-long meeting with Narendra Modi. Then came Sushma Swaraj, Venkaiah Naidu, and now just a few minutes back, Arun Jaitley has also entered LK Advani's residence. What we are getting to know from the sources within Advani's residence is that, Simi, that Advani has put his point in front of all the leaders who have been coming to see him ever since morning. He has said that he has given the reasoning to the party president that why he wants to contest the elections from Bhopal. He is of the opinion that if Arun Jaitley could choose his seat, if Narendra Modi was given the option of selecting his own seat from Varanasi, if Rajnath Singh was given an option of selecting his seat from Lucknow, then what is the trouble and what is the problem if LK Advani chooses his seat rather than Gandhinagar to Bhopal? In fact, now what we are also getting to know is Rajnath Singh, the BJP party president, will be arriving in the national capital in the evening. So all the leaders who had met LK Advani since morning, they will be having a meeting with Rajnath Singh, after which a final call will be taken. Rajnath Singh in the end will be going and meeting LK Advani probably later in the evening, after which the final call will be taken whether LK Advani is ready to listen to the High Command, is ready to give in to the demands of the High Command, or whether the party is ready to give in to the demands of the party patriarch, Simi.
Absolutely. The story clearly points at LK Advani's diminishing clout within the BJP. Aditi, thanks so much for that update. We'll continue tracking developments.